Welcome to the Edit Room with Maria Marauder, a channel dedicated to video editing for beginners. Today we're going to learn how to create a text reveal effect in Final Cut Pro. Here's how we do it. Step 1. Import your image. Here we have a video of a moon in time-lapse speed. We want to reveal a message in the sky as the moon passes by. Step 2. Add a text overlay. From the text generator, choose a text effect. I'd like this 3D look, so let's drag it to our timeline. Then write down the words you want to reveal. In this example, why don't we write the saying, "I love you to the moon and back." Adjust the position and the line spacing of the text. We want the text to fit in the moon image. Then, let's choose a playful font. Ding Dong or Dialplay? Okay, let's choose Ding Dong. Adjust the size as needed. Then position your playhead to the point where the text will be revealed. Step 3. Go to Effects, find Masks, then choose Draw Mask. Drag it to the text in the timeline. You will be prompted to add control points. Trace the left side of the moon. Make sure you extend your control points up to the end of the leftmost frame. Step 4. Keyframing. Under Draw Mask, click the diamonds in the control points and the transforms. Now this mask will be your first keyframe. Move the arrows in your keyboard 3 times to move your playhead. Then move your mask to fit the edge of the moon. Adjust the control points as needed. Make sure that the keyframes are marked. Do this until the end of the clip. And here's our final video. It may be tedious, but the steps are simple. Try it and tag me in the comment below. I hope you learned something valuable today. Please like and subscribe, send me your comment, and of course watch the other video tutorials in my channel. See you in the next Edit Room.